welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another new video, and today's video is going to be a little different from what I usually make. It is going to be a jewelry haul, and lately I have realized how important it is to have accessories on to give your outfit that lifting look. And yeah, so I ordered some jewelry pieces from this brand called Ever Stylish, which is an Instagram brand, and they also have their website. So I'll link both of them in the description box. It is not a sponsored video. This will be my genuine reviews and views on them. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get started with the video. I am super excited to show you guys what I've got. So let's just get started. So first one, let's start with whatever I'm wearing right now. So first one is the bracelet, this bracelet that I'm wearing. This is a layered bracelet, if you can see, and its name is the Snow Globe Gold Pearl Bracelet. Like, I have ordered too many pearls this time, you guys will be seeing in a while. And yeah, so this is a layered one. So the first layer has this little pearls, and the next one is a chain, and this chain also has a little pearl hanging with it. So I got this for rupees 98 rupees, and it looks very minimalistic yet very chic on you. It will go with your office wear, it will go with your college wear, party wear. It will just go with everything. I think I'll be wearing it regularly, and I will also share another review with you guys once I have worn all of these for like 6-7 times. I'll say 6-7 times is enough to understand whether something will get tarnished or not. They claim that it's anti-tarnish, but yeah, everything depends upon how we are going to use it. So I'll have to wait for that a little longer. But yeah, currently it looks very pretty. Even though it's just for rupees 98, it doesn't look like it looks very, it gives the rich girl vibe. And yeah, let's just move on to the next one. So next one is another bracelet that I have got. So let's just get over with all the bracelets first. Next one is this bracelet, which has 2 hearts on it. So cute. Now its name is Golden Heart Rhinestone Bracelet. So the first heart, you can see there are little bit rhinestone beads on it, and the second one is a very little cute golden heart. The only problem with this is it just doesn't fit me well. My hands are too thin for this, and there was just only one size available. In case of jewelries, you just get one size. You cannot customize it like these kind of jewelries. But yeah, I am in a dilemma whether I should return it or not. You guys let me know whether I should keep it or not. It looks very beautiful. It gives you that pretty look. But again, because of the size issues, I'm not sure. You can also use this bracelet to layer up. Layering up bracelets have been going very viral kind of right now, and it also looks very pretty. And yeah, you can use this for that as well. So it costed me rupees 98. The price point is again very affordable. So we are done with bracelet. Let's just jump into neck pieces now. So first one is again the one that I'm wearing. So it's named as the Pearls of Elegance Golden Statement Neck Piece. It costed me rupees 148, and it again is of a similar vibe to the bracelet that I am wearing. It also has small pearl beads all over, and I don't know, it is just complementing my look so well. It looks very dainty, and yeah, it will go with all your dresses, I think. Pearl just goes with everything, I feel, and that is why I've ordered so many pearls. Also, this is adjustable, so this is the maximum length that you can keep this necklace for, and you can also make it shorter. There are hooks all over, like there are rings all over, and you can hook it to your desired length. Okay, next neck piece is something like as soon as I saw it on the website, I knew I needed it. It looked so cute. I had my heart, and it is a heart neck piece. So my heart goes to the heart neck piece. So this is the one. You can see there is a little There is a little small heart in here. Looks very cute. So its name is Little Dainty Heart. Golden neck piece with anti-tarnish coating, as the website says. And this will go with everything. It's like you are wearing an accessory which won't scream too much. It is a very like minimalistic one, and it can go with any tops. Even if you don't feel like wearing anything, you can just go with this. This will just complement everything, I feel, and that's why I got it. And the golden color in it also doesn't look bad or look cheap, so you can trust this. And it costed me rupees 98 rupees, which is again very towards the cheaper side. Now the last neck piece that I've got. So these two neck pieces that I've got, those are single layer. So I also wanted to try something that is double layered. So I got one. Let me first get it untangled, because is it me or it is just very difficult to keep up with the layered neck pieces. So this is the layered necklace that I'm talking about. Now this has a spirally detailing, I'll say, in the first layer, and in the second layer there is a pearl. You can see my love for pearls. Even have the pearl necklace pearl wala part upar and this spiral wala part niche. This is adjustable according to you. Just a little bit difficult to handle, but yeah, I got this for rupees 148, and its name is Bond of Pearl Golden Layered Necklace with anti-tarnish coating. It again says it has anti-tarnish coating, so yeah, I'm hoping for the best. I think it will go with all those trousers and top kind of situations. I think with them it will look so good. Now the last thing that I got are two rings. Both of these were in one pack. They were a set of two. So these two, the ones I'm wearing. First one is a ring with this little heart in between, black heart in between, and I think it just complements my look so nicely. I am in love. And the next one is this zigzag pattern necklace, zigzag pattern ring. First one also has this zigzag pattern on both the sides, but this one is a little bit more visible. Yeah, these are silver in color, and their name is Life in a Zigzag Set of 2 Adjustable Silver Links. Yeah, these are adjustable as well, and I got them for rupees 78 rupees. I think it's worth the price because it gives you a cutie look, a pretty vibe, and yeah, I think I'm in love. That were all the products that I ordered from everstylish.com. Why do I keep on saying .com? It's just everstylish anyway. So I hope you guys like this video. I also plan on making another video where I will do a jewelry haul of products which will be a little towards the middle-endish cost. So yeah, until then, let me know how you like this video, and don't forget to like and comment, and also follow me on my Instagram channel here. And chalo, milte hain next video mein. Bye bye.